In this video, I'll show you how to post on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Facebook page or your Facebook account, and I'm going to show you how you can post here on Facebook. Now, when it comes to posting here on Facebook, there are lots of things you can still do aside just posting pictures and posting text. Let's say you come on here, this what's on your mind, you click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you'll be displayed with some options. This is the option to add a photo or video to your post. This is the option to tag people. This is the option to add how you're feeling and your activity. And the activity, this is the option to add your check-in, that is your live location. This is the option to add GIF. Then if you click on this three dotted icons, if I click on it, you would see some other options. This is a live event, this is a live video. So let's say I want to add from this my activity. Let's say I'm feeling loved. Yeah. Then what's on my mind? I can come on here and say, hey friends, it's my birthday. So once I'm done with this, I'll click on this post. Yeah, once I post it, this post will go live automatically here on Facebook platform, my timeline or my page. So this is how you can post here on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.